Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to test the Parblo Intangbo M graphics tablet. Before I start, I want to thank Parblo for sending me the tablet for this review. Now I will start with the unboxing. The first thing you will find when you open the package is the graphics tablet. I will check it in detail later. This is a user guide. It contains very useful information about the operation of the tablet. Some gift stickers are included in the package. Also a large cleaning cloth with Parblo logo. The package also includes a drawing glove. The glove fits perfectly on my hand. The fabric feels high quality and the seams are well knit. The last gift included is a bookmark. This is the documentation included with the product. First we have the quick start guide. And finally the warranty policy. This is the USB Type-C to USB cable for powering the tablet. The cable is woven and is quite long. 2 OTG adapters are included in the package. The first one is a micro USB OTG adapter. The other is a Type-C OTG adapter. This is the stand for the pen. Inside includes 8 spare tips and the tip extractor. This is the P08 battery-free pen. It has 2 customizable buttons. 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. A report rate of 266 RPs. And supports a tilt angle of 60 degrees. This is the Parblo Intangbo M graphics tablet. This is the lilac purple version. You can also find it in stars black. The Intangbo M model has 8 customizable keys and a dial ring. The work area size is 10 by 6 inches, has a paper-like texture, and is scratch resistant. This tablet is only 8 mm thick, and the maximum reading height of the pen is 10 mm. The tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome 8.0, Android 6.0 onwards, and Linux. Before I start using this tablet, I uninstalled any other tablet drivers I had on my PC. Then I went to Parblo website to download the necessary drivers for the Intangbo M to work. Now that I got the drivers installed, I opened the Settings app on the tablet in order to be able to test the pressure and configure the hotkeys. In the app you can choose 2 coordinate modes and activate Windows Ink. Absolute mode has slower scrolling, but the coordination between the work area and the screen is more precise. Relative mode is faster, but the coordination between tablet and screen is incomplete, so more scrolling is needed to reach the edge of the screen. In Clip Studio Paint, activating Windows Ink causes an error, which prevents you from accessing the drop-down menus, so in this app I was not able to use Windows Ink. Before talking about my experience while using this tablet, I want to talk about the quality of this product. Parblo is a brand that I personally like a lot. Something that always stands out in its products is the quality of the materials with which they are made. They always feature a premium quality that you see and feel when you use them. In this case it is not the exception. This Intangbo M tablet is a product of the highest quality. As for the operation of the tablet, my experience was perfect. The work area, besides being quite wide, features a paper-like texture, and its resistance to scratches is very good. The customizable keys work correctly, although they are a bit noisy for my liking. The dial ring is extremely useful. Using it speeds up my drawing sessions a lot. The pen works as expected. It generates fluid strokes with great precision and perfect pressure control. And as I said before, depending on the configuration you use, the movement of the pen on the screen will be smooth or fast. The compatibility with applications is very wide. Currently, I have used drawing apps such as Clip Studio Paint and Metabang Paint on PC. Of the 3D sculpting apps, I have only used ZBrush, and this one works correctly. Regarding the drawing experience on Android devices, it is practically identical to the one on PC. All drawing apps available in the Play Store are compatible. The tablet works automatically when connected to the Android cell phone using one of the OTG adapters included in the package. When drawing, the tablet uses the 10 by 6 inches of the work area. So compared to other graphic tablets that only uses a portion of the working area, this Intangbo M does work better on Android. To finish this video, I just want to say that my experience using the Parblo Intangbo M graphics tablet has been perfect. By using this graphic tablet, I have been able to draw comfortably and without problems. I have had a lot of fun drawing, and for me that is something very important when trying a product. It does not matter if you are a beginner or an advanced user. If you are looking for a graphic tablet, Parblo's Intangbo M is a great device made with excellent quality standards that will help you take your art to the next level. With all of the above said, my rating for the Parblo Intangbo M graphics tablet is a 10 out of 10. If you are interested in this product, I will leave the links in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.